Orbix screws have been developed to help speed up installation time for electricians. They are not just general construction fasteners, but have been carefully designed with common fixing applications in mind, with a view to providing an efficient, reliable connection. In this example, we see how quick and easy the Orbix screws are to use when compared to traditional nuts and bolts. The Orbix screws drill, fix and tighten in one simple operation using a standard posi No. 2 drive bit in your cordless drill. No fiddly nuts and bolts or spanners or screwdrivers. Just consider how much time you could save. Trials have proved that each box of Orbix drill screws could save over 2 hours of installation time. Where there is a risk of damage to cables, purpose-made point caps are available to cover the sharp drill tip of the screws when installed.